If you've been hurt in an auto accident, listen up. Big Insurance is not on your side. Do not accept their offer without calling attorneys first. After an auto accident, you need fast cash for medical bills, car repairs, and missed work. The network of attorneys will fight for you and get you the cash you need. They start working on your case with no upfront cost. You pay nothing unless you win, and the consultation is free.
I got hit by somebody who was texting and driving.
Injured in an accident and it's not your fault?
If you want someone looking out for you,
when you get hurt and you need help,
they help me, they can help you too.
Maria C. was hit from behind by two vehicles. She made the call and won $2.7 million. Jacob C. was a passenger when a vehicle ran a red light. He called the network of attorneys and settled for over $1.2 million. Don't settle for less. You pay nothing unless you win. Call now for a free consultation.